Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to learn transportation vehicles. First one is truck, truck, scooter, scooter, school bus, school bus, helicopter, helicopter, bicycle, bicycle, ambulance, ambulance, police car, police car, bus, bus, train, train, motorcycle, motorcycle, van, van, airplane, airplane, ship, ship. Thank you for watching.